Right now in March, your butterfly bush probably looks like a bundle of sticks or has very little growth on it. But if you make a few cuts today, it can explode into huge flowers and attract all the pollinators in the summer. In this video, I will show you exactly how to prune a butterfly bush here in Yorktown, Virginia. Today, I'm going to show you how to prune it properly so that you get bigger plants, more blooms, and of course, more butterflies this summer. In Yorktown and Hampton Roads, late February and early March is usually the sweet spot. By now, the worst freezes are mostly behind us. We won't talk about a couple of days ago. But the plant hasn't started its major growth.
The butterfly bush blooms on new wood. This means that the flowers grow this season on fresh stems, not last year's branches. And that's great news, because this means you can prune it back pretty aggressively in the early spring.
One of the challenges that I have with this particular location is I have some sort of thorny vine that loves to pop up and grow through this butterfly bush. So I'm going to make a point to cut it back to the ground wherever I find it. I have no idea what it is, but I know it's literally a pain to deal with. So if you guys have any idea what this vine is, let me know. Put it in the comments. Appreciate your help. You can prune a butterfly bush back to 12 or 24 inches above the ground. This encourages strong new shoots, and it means bigger flower spikes in the summer. Less crowding also means healthier growth and fewer problems with mildew.
First, I'm going to start by cutting off dead, broken, or weak branches. Dead wood snaps easily and looks gray or hollow inside. Then I'm going to be very aggressive in my cuts. Don't worry about hurting it, just leave more than 12 to 24 inches from the ground. Here is the bush after I'm done. Don't be afraid to give your butterfly bush a serious spring haircut. A few minutes of pruning now means months of blooms later. A quick bonus tip: add a little compost or slow-release fertilizer around the base after pruning, especially in coastal areas. Thanks for watching. Please hit like and subscribe to Jen's Gardens for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!